Hello everyone out there. As always, it's good to see you. I'm back with another one. Today I'm revisiting the subject of luxuriously affordable timepieces. For that, I'm going to introduce you to the world of Pascal. Welcome to Luxuriously Affordable Timepieces. Pascal, the unboxing. I was introduced to this brand a little over 2 or 3 weeks ago and was instantly impressed. And by the end of this video, I'm sure you will be too. With that said, let's get into it. Today, I will be unboxing the Pascal Octagonal Classic Diamond Watch. When I received my watch, it was well wrapped and boxed so as to ensure that there would be no damage to the watch. Now let's examine the contents of the box, all the various items that came with my Pascal watch. Inside, you get a gifting bag, a tool to adjust and tighten the links in the watch, an authentication card, and a dust cloth. And now, for the moment that you all have been waiting for, the star of our show, the watch. But as I said a little earlier, we still have a few more items that came with the watch to show you also. In my opinion, it's pretty impressive for an item that you don't have to break the bank for to come with a card or certificate of authenticity. Now, let's once again have a closer look at the star of our show, the watch. One of the most noticeable details about this watch is the wood grain face. Another really noticeable detail about this watch is that it's slender and not bulky, which makes it perfect for wearing under a dress shirt or suit. Now be sure to stay until the end of this unboxing just for a demonstration of how exactly to wear or style this watch with a suit. Also important to note, Pascal uses lab-grown diamonds for their watches and jewelry. Now let's try on the watch and see how it fits. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. The links to shop this watch and more from Pascal will be provided down in the description and on jmadstyles.blog. Here's a quick look at the link, and be sure to use my discount code at checkout, JMAD15. By the way, for those not too familiar with myself, I am JMad Styles, and today I'm bringing you looks from Pascal. While I got you here, Remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you enjoy the content that I'm throwing up. Well, there it is. Grand opening, grand closing. You've just seen the Pascal Octagonal Classic Diamond Watch. Just to let you know, the price point of this watch falls in around $250. As I said, luxuriously affordable. Now, as we talked about a little earlier, here's how to dress up your Pascal watch. I would like to thank you for staying with me up to this point in the video, because just like that, this has been Luxuriously Affordable Timepieces, Pascal, the unboxing. And I am J Mad Styles. For the full fashionable story, please log on to jmadstyles.blog. That's it for now, so until the next time, I'm gone.